This course is composed of movies between 3 and 7 minutes in length, organized with other movies in sections of related techniques or topics, starting with this section providing an overview of this tutorial and the hypertext markup language, and including a review of the various services you'll need to create and publish your first HTML pages. Next, this section reviews the building blocks that make up HTML, including tags, tag attributes, IDs and classes, URLs, and much, much more. Next is a review of the various components that make up the structure of HTML pages, such as headers, footers, divisions, tables, and much, much more. Code for formatting color and images is next, followed by HTML for coding links. This is followed by information about how to create tables and format table elements. You'll then be introduced to HTML forms and how to create various form elements such as radio buttons, checkboxes, drop-down and selection lists, and much, much more. The tutorial then moves on to the topic of CSS, starting with an examination of the concepts that lie at the heart of CSS, including the syntax rules, the 3 selectors, custom classes, tag redefines, advanced CSS selectors, and more. Next are movies covering how to create new styles and organize them into style sheets embedded into a page source code or in standalone style documents. This is followed by a chapter covering the elements that constitute the building blocks of CSS, as well as designing web pages, including divisions or div tags, and information about margins, adding borders, widths, heights, and much, much more. Text is unarguably the most important element of any web page, so next I demonstrate CSS techniques for formatting text. In this chapter, you'll learn about choosing fonts, applying styles to text, setting the line heights and letter spacing, styling drop caps, as well as tips for improving text legibility. Next, you'll learn how to style lists, colors, and images using CSS, followed by how to lay out pages using CSS div elements, including a variety of positioning schemes and options, how to apply floats in your layouts, and the various types of CSS page layouts common on the web today. Next, we dig deeper into HTML5, including its differences with HTML4 and some of the HTML5's exciting new features and capabilities, including its new structural elements, its media playback capabilities, and some of the new HTML5 APIs that are now available. Next, I introduce the advanced topics of XML, JavaScript, multimedia, dynamic HTML, and AJAX, including sources of information for learning more. The tutorial then concludes with a review of the skills and tools you'll need to publish your site so it can be seen by anyone with a browser.